Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming firmware and drivers. This prevents software conflicts. Plug the controller in via USB so signals are direct. Once done, check Windows devices or Steam Big Picture to ensure it's recognized. If drivers are missing, install manufacturer drivers or use Steam's controller support. Make sure energy-saving Bluetooth settings are off because they can drop vibration packets. These initial steps establish a reliable connection before you change vibration-specific settings. Now you adjust software so vibration signals reach the controller. In Steam, enable configuration support and force haptics. This routes rumble properly. For non-Steam titles, run DS4 Windows, X360C, or manufacturer utilities to emulate the right API. Reinstall middleware if vibration fails, because corrupted layers drop force feedback. Make sure the game's in-game vibration settings are enabled and not muted. Also verify exclusive mode in Windows Audio/Input. It can block feedback packets if misconfigured. You finish by calibrating and testing to confirm full functionality. Run Steam controller test or the manufacturer's diagnostic to observe force feedback. Adjust intensity until it feels right. If vibration is weak or absent, swap the USB cable and port, reboot, and try a driver rollback, because bad cables or updates often cause failures. As a last resort, perform a controller factory reset. If problems persist after those steps, suspect a hardware fault and consider repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.